Never get enough of these views. Never get enough of these views. If I was going to die, I'd be very happy to die here, which in the next 5 minutes looks like it's very likely to happen. Let's go, baby! Woo! Today I'm going on a much needed adventure outside the city centre of Loja. I drove for about an hour, a really beautiful scenic journey which took us high up into the mountains. I'm here in a town called Jimbilla. It's about 1 hour drive outside the city centre of Loja, and I'm going to go with a tour group to a waterfall called Monte Cristi. I've got absolutely no idea what the guide's saying, I'm just going to follow the group. Apparently it's a 5-hour trek, round trip. This is going to be one of the most beautiful treks that I've taken so far in Loja. So I'm in it now, caked in mud, trousers are wet. Literally wading through rubbish. Literally wading through excrement. I haven't stopped yet. I haven't stopped once. I'm just pushing ahead, motivated by my fellow climbers. Okay, this is a legit stop. I can't even speak. The path, the route, it's getting very steep. It's getting very difficult. It's very rocky. It's very difficult to do this with one hand because I've got my camera, but I'm going to push on. I think we're almost at the top. It's like the Highlands of Scotland on steroids. This is awesome. It looks like we're going deep into the Ecuadorian jungle. It smells amazing here. It smells like a forest. You can smell the pines, the plants, the trees. It's invigorating. I love it. My feet are officially caked in mud. I'm just walking on cakes of mud right now. I can feel midges, mosquitoes feasting on my Scottish skin. And the amazing thing is I don't feel too exhausted right now. We've been walking, hiking, climbing for about 45 minutes. Usually I'd be collapsed in a heap by now, but I'm feeling pretty good so far. We're slightly behind everybody else. We can't see anyone. I think we're a little bit lost. So we've got to pick up the pace. This is my fault because I keep stopping to film the scenery. We've made it to the waterfall. We're right down at the base of the waterfall. All we have to do is climb up a very steep embankment and we're up at the top. And here we are, back to walking. So the next stop is a town about 5 kilometers away, and it looks like we're trekking through mud again. We've just encountered about 58 dogs. And this one doesn't seem to like me very much. A big sign up there saying Monte Cristi Waterfall, so this must be the tourist epicenter of Monte Cristi. There's a hilltop way in the distance. I hope to God we're not going to the top of there, because I can tell you I'm not going to make it. Things just became really steep, really fast. I am struggling. I'm sweating. I'm out of breath. Just look at the state of the ground. It's like chocolate fudge cake. Your feet become caked in mud and they become twice as heavy. This area is like a trench and it feels like there's no oxygen in the air. So I've just been told reliably that that's the top of the hill where we're going. The rest of the group's up on that hill teasing me. One short walk up to the top of the hill and that's it done. Thank God, because I literally don't have any energy left. Epic views, absolutely epic views. I just love this trail. I would have to really think hard to another time in my life where I felt this tired. I seriously can't remember another occasion. I can't even speak. I can't even think. So apparently there's a lady that's 60 years old, made it to the top of the hill about 20 minutes ago and they're waiting for me. How embarrassing. If you can't stop to smell the flowers, well, you're just not living life to its fullest. Ecuadorian people are like robots, they just march ahead. They don't feel fatigue, they don't feel tired, they don't feel remorse or pity. They're like Terminators. I'm tired and fatigued, but I'm so happy I'm up here seeing this amazing scenery. Almost to the top, I can see the rest of the group waiting for me. You're not going to believe this. I've made it to the top. Absolutely amazing panoramic view up at the top of this hill. Just extraordinary. No, it's my last time. So one of my fellow climbers just asked if I wanted to go up this hill next. Now it's time to go home and it's all downhill. I love it. This has been an absolutely amazing day out. It was exhausting, I was tired, I thought I was going to die, but overall, just extraordinary. The views, the people, the mountains, the hills, the trek, the waterfall, just amazing. And it only cost $13 for the whole thing. This walk is very, very pleasant. It's not difficult, it's not steep. Now we're deep in the Ecuadorian jungle, it seems like. This is one of the most amazing locations that I've ever been to in my life. That includes Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, China. One final step for mankind. One final step for Ecuadorian pride. And I'm not tired. Oh my goodness. Woo!